The root cause of the cutting problems we mentioned earlier is often not a single tool, but a mismatch between the sawing machine and the saw blade.
Struggling with broken bands, downtime, and rough cuts. The problem isn't your tools, it's the mismatch.
You should know that a regular sawing machine paired with a cheap saw blade is like installing a chronic blood loss point on your production line. While the initial investment may seem low, in the long run, the costs of frequent saw blade replacements and the loss of working hours do too. Machine downtime will erode profits like a steady stream.
And our solution is designed to put an end to such waste, the golden combination.
First, the industrial-grade bandsaw, built with German-engineered bearings and a dynamic speed control system. It reduces vibration by 60%. Less shaking means smoother cuts and zero blade breaks from uneven stress.
Easy!
Second, the nano-coated blade, titanium alloy base plus adaptive tooth design. It auto-adjusts to material hardness for cleaner cuts and lasts 3 times longer than standard blades. Here's what users report. The saw blade achieves 0 unexpected breakages, and the surface finish of the cut reaches RE less than 1.6 micrometers, which is equivalent to eliminating the subsequent grinding process. More importantly, as calculated by customers, it can save $150,000 in consumable costs and 300 hours of downtime each year. This is what once and for all really means.
One customer put it best: before, we changed blades 3 times a day. Now, 3 months without a hiccup, cut so clean, we even ditched finishing passes.
Don't let the wrong combos slow you down. Click below to get your custom golden combo plan. Fun fact, 90% of your competitors have already upgraded. If you wait, you're just handing them the advantage. Upgrade now or get left behind. 1 more square meter cut.